In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend the hero image and header in Wix Studio. This process involves a series of straightforward steps that will seamlessly merge your site's header with the hero image for a more cohesive and professional look. Whether you're looking to update your website's aesthetic or create a smoother transition from your header to the main content, this guide will help you achieve just that. Let's begin by accessing your Wix website editor. Fire up your browser and ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once there, you'll navigate to the Wix editor where your website's design magic happens. On the editor page, the first task is to locate and click on the header. The header typically sits at the top of your web page and contains your site's logo, navigation, and occasionally some critical information. Once you click on it, you'll clearly see options and settings related to the header. Next, focus on the header scroll settings. When you select the header, you'll find these settings pop up. Look for the option that says Header Scroll Settings and give it a click. This area controls how your header behaves as users scroll through your page, a feature that significantly impacts user experience and the aesthetic flow of your site. Now, you want to choose the Fades Out option. Choosing this setting makes sure that as visitors scroll, the header gradually fades, allowing a smoother transition and a cleaner view of your hero image or the main content below. This technique helps maintain the continuity of your design and minimizes abrupt transitions that could distract users. Once you've adjusted the scroll settings, it's time to close that settings window. This ensures that the changes you made stick and that you're ready to move on to the next step. Simply look for the Close button and confirm your changes by clicking it. Now, go back and click on the header once more. You'll see an option to change the header design. Click on it and start exploring the tools available for modifying your header's appearance. We're interested in how the header looks and blends with the page, so scroll down to find and click on Fill Color and Opacity. Finally, it's time to adjust the opacity. Within the Fill Color and Opacity option, you'll notice a numerical value indicating your header's current opacity. Change this value to 0. By doing so, you make the header fully transparent, allowing your underlying hero image to show unhindered and effectively merging the two into a single, seamless visual element. This technique not only enhances visual integration, but also ensures that your site's design looks polished and professional. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully blended your hero image and header, creating an elegant, unified look for your website. Remember, small design changes like these can significantly impact the overall user experience, making your site more visually appealing and engaging.